Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to view your calendar in total. So how to have a look at your whole schedule on the Google Calendar application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Now go to schedule, and then you can see your whole schedule organized into month. As you can see, if you scroll down, you can see the different months and the weeks as well. So if you are looking for a previous event or birthdays or tasks or anything, you can easily keep track of these by simply scrolling up and down, finding the relevant month and week. So just simply click on it, and then you will be able to see your schedule. As you can see, you can also have a look at your daily schedule. As you can see here, you can also select this 3-day option, meaning that you are able to browse through your schedule organized into a 3-day page. So you are able to see 3 days of the week. You can also see them organized into weeks and into a month as well. So you are able to go back and forth by scrolling to the left or right side of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.